Time for some Thursday birthdays across the 4 states, and we are going to begin with Blaine Brisbane celebrating birthday number 1. And it says, "We love you, Blaine. Happy birthday."
Oh, what a cutie. Cute smile there. Avon is celebrating 7 strong this year. I hope it's a wonderful birthday, Avon.
And Jackson Westervelt celebrating number 11 in Weir. Happy birthday, Jackson.
All right. In Columbus, Kennedy Bullard turning 18 years old this year. She's a senior at Columbus High School. Happy birthday from Mom and Dad.
And we've got Sean Darling celebrating birthday number 35. It says happy birthday from Alex and Brian. Happy birthday, Sean.
All right. Jim Campbell in Columbus. Happy birthday to the world's best husband. Love, Della.
And Sherry Burke in Parsons celebrating birthday number 75 with love from your sisters Judy and Debbie and all of your family.
All right, our birthday list goes on. We've got Elizabeth Wydick and Gerard. Happy birthday. Brianna Ferguson, wishing you a happy birthday as well.
And Karen Wildish turning 77 in Fort Scott says happy birthday from your daughter. And Brittany Robinson in Thayer celebrating number 28. Very happy birthday to you all, and I know you want to celebrate with us. And Tanya can tell you what you need to do to celebrate with us.
We want to make this list as long as possible, and we like to see your pictures. If you can send them to us at this email, that would be great. Birthdays with an S at KOAMnewsnow.com.
And of course, while you're on our website checking out the latest headlines, weather, and sports, you can take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. Get great deals from local businesses, and you get a special message from your friends here at KOAM. So head over to KOAMnewsnow.com, sign up for that birthday club today. All right.